Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here's the deal that I found today on Black Friday. I went to quite a few stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply today, looking for some different deals, and this is the deal that I found suits me the best. So you actually buy the battery set, you get two 5 amp hour batteries, the charger, and it does have the bag. And you get a free tool only. So I got this new 3/8 impact gun. This is the one, I think that this is the new rage on YouTube about this one. 400 foot-pounds, breakaway, 250 tightening. It did come with a tool only. I just stuck another battery in. But anyways, so I paid $199 for this. And you got the free tool. It came out to $215.42 total out the door, and you can never have enough of these batteries. So that was my Black Friday tool haul, and me and my nephew went and found this one. There he is. So that's it, guys. Like I said, thank you for all the new subscribers, and we're getting there. And be sure to let your friends know, subscribe to the channel. Until we hit 100, we're going to give a $600 RC car away from Snap-on. Thank you guys. Bye.